Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X7 and let me share with you how to reset the settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates and enter this Reset section. As you can see, on the very first position we've got option Reset All Settings, so let's tap on it. And here we've got the information that all the settings will be reset, including the network settings, fingerprints, face recognition data, and also lock screen password. So your security will also be removed, deleted. So let's tap on Reset All Settings if you're ready. If you've got any kind of screen lock current set, you will have to enter it in order to confirm the host tab. And here we've got also the information that your device may need to be restarted. So let's tap on Reset All Settings, and now let's wait. Your device will be either restarted or simply, as you can see in this case, it will be simply reset without the restarting. So basically that's all. This is how to reset the settings in your Honor X7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.